Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. If you have not done so already, definitely take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. Also, check out some of our previous videos. We have videos on just about everything, sure to find something you love. But in today's video, let's talk about eclectic maximalism. Alright guys, so before we get started, don't forget to head on over to facebook.com and join our home decor family over there. You can find us at AndThenThereWasStyle. We are also on Pinterest, Instagram, and TikTok at the same name. Now, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so I know most of our loyal subscribers that watch every video have a pretty clear idea of what eclectic home decor style is versus what a maximalist home decor style is, but in case we have any new people or people that just want to brush up on it, let's give a quick little definition. Now, as the name suggests, eclectic style is more of a mashup of all kinds of interior design style. It's finding new and original ways to combine them. So rather than being locked in by one particular mandate like all farmhouse, all rustic, eclecticism balances different styles and designs periods within the one interior. So that's going to be, let's say you're a global traveler and you have a piece from here, a piece from this country, a rug from India, a sofa from Africa, you have shears from, I don't know, Ireland, and you just kind of find a way to bring all of that in together, and the design style may not make sense for someone else, but eclectic design is really for the person whose room or home it is. That room is going to have so much meaning, and even if you aren't a rural traveler with all of these precious knickknacks, even if you just find pieces that fit, that bring you joy, that you actually love, that's what the eclectic style is about. Now, in a similar but just slightly different lane, we have the maximalist style. The maximalist style takes basically a more is more approach, and it is going to really showcase bright colors and bold patterns, really eye-catching artworks and strong in-your-face graphics to make a statement. Now, neither style is for the shy home decor owner or decorator. Neither style is for the faint of heart. There's a sense of joy and playfulness inherent in both design styles. So if you do like one of these styles, it's really going to bring you joy as you're decorating and as you walk in that room day in and day out. To me, in my opinion, the eclectic or the maximalist style, neither one is a very serious style. This is all about good vibes, happiness, and being surrounded by things and items and pieces that you truly love. Now, I know that some of you are actually scared to take this leap into this really iconic fusion of style. Now, whether that fear is of color or getting sick of the outcome or the fear of it just not working, my advice would be to trust your judgment. Nothing is permanent, so start small with pops of color, maybe an accent wall as opposed to painting the whole house a really loud color. Go room by room. Parcel out prints if you're attracted to multiple patterns, and then ramp it up once you're more comfortable with the look that you're achieving. Now, if you do feel like you're gravitating towards bigger prints or louder colors, you should absolutely go for it. But don't feel like you have to do everything all at once. Just take it slow and gradual and then see where your particular comfort level lies. Okay, so I hope you all have been enjoying these beautiful images I have been just so in love with. Now it's probably one of my favorite times of the video. It's where we actually take a look at some of the rooms here and look and see what went right, and in some of them what went not so right. So let's get into that. So if you have a collection of anything in the world, this is the perfect home design style to really put it out there front and center. So you can see that this homeowner has chosen to display their collection of, I believe these are blue ceramic ginger jars, if I'm not mistaken. If so, just put it down in the comment section, and it looks gorgeous. Another room I loved, and even though this is an eclectic maximalist room, this goes to show you don't have to have it just filled with items. The actual wallpaper on the wall behind you gives it a really eclectic maximalist look without having to fill every inch of your space with something. Okay guys, so honestly this room has a lot going on, and I mean a lot. I thought that it would just be pure chaos, but I actually love it. Everything from that bold print of the wallpaper to your furniture, the different textures, the colors. Comment down below if you could have a room like this in your home. Okay guys, so looking at this room and the next two coming up, I have realized I have a thing for a green velour sofa. I love it. It works so well, especially when you pair it with really dark walls. Alrighty guys, so I know that this has been a very energizing video to say the least, with all of the images that you are seeing. Let me know down in the comment section, did any room really stand out to you, or would you have an eclectic maximalist home or room in your home? I am so curious. When I did the separate videos on an eclectic room or home and then a maximalist style, I mean, the comments were all over the place. Some of you loved it. Some just said you guys would have to pack up and move immediately. So let me know what you think about this fusion of styles. Alrighty friends, so I've already asked you to comment your favorite usage of the eclectic maximalism down below in the comment section if you want to know mine. This is gorgeous, you guys. Imagine this being your outside patio with some friends over, some refreshing drinks in the evening, maybe hanging some string lights. I feel like I would stay on my patio forever. As always guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.